If you're looking to use QR codes for e-commerce discounts in Uniqode, you're in the right place. But before you jump in, there's something you need to know. While Uniqode is great for generating dynamic QR codes, there are some key things to watch out for. And by the end of this video, I'll also show you a better alternative that gives you more flexibility and a longer free trial. So let's get straight into how to use Uniqode for e-commerce discounts. First, log into Uniqode and create a new QR code campaign. Select the type of discount you want to offer, whether it's a percentage off, a fixed amount, or even a limited time promo. The platform allows you to link these QR codes to specific landing pages, coupon codes, or even a custom-built offer page. Next, customization. Uniqode lets you tweak your QR codes to match your branding, colors, logos, and even different shapes. This is useful, but one downside is that the customization options aren't as advanced as some other QR code platforms. If you need deeper branding control or animated QR codes, you might feel a bit restricted. Once you've got the QR code looking how you want, you can track its performance through Unicode's analytics dashboard. You'll see scans, locations, and device types, but it lacks deeper e-commerce integration. Unlike some competitors, Uniqode doesn't provide direct Shopify or WooCommerce integration for auto-applying discounts when a QR code is scanned, which means you'll need an extra step in your workflow. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing. Unicode's plans aren't the most budget-friendly, and if you're running high-volume campaigns, the cost scales up quickly. While it's solid for basic use, if you want more automation, better tracking, and seamless e-commerce connections, there are better options. And that's where the alternative I mentioned earlier comes in. If you want a more e-commerce-focused QR code solution with better tracking and direct integrations, I've linked an exclusive, extended free trial below. You'll also find other alternatives that offer more advanced automation for e-commerce discounts, and through our link, you'll get extra benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check it out and let me know which software works best for you.